I want to add information about my risk to my diagram. How do I do this? So you might have seen these little risk matrix buttons. These are our 4 different types of pre-populated risk matrices that you have available. If you head to the consequence, you are able to add in the risk attributes to this particular consequence. We have 2 different types. So you have the initial without any of your barriers in place and the residual. I'm going to add the initial risk first, the initial risk for the environment. It's going to be quite high. I'll click save there. Then you can go back and add the residual risks. What does that look like? After you've added in all of your barriers and all of them are functioning just as they should, what is left? What risk are you willing to be able to manage? And for us, that would be an EA2. The risk pops up on your consequence like it does with metadata. If you want to edit or change any of these, simply cross them off and start again.